Hey guys, welcome back to my second video on my RC 767-200 ER project. Today in this video I am going to talk about my plan with this project. I was inspired by the performance of my last video to take my videos more seriously. I didn't expect it to get over 90 views at this point in just 2 weeks. I was actually honestly expecting just 5. In this video, I'm going to outline the plan for my project. The reason why I am creating this aircraft stems from a long-time love of aviation. I've always wanted an airliner, and it's the main reason why I got into RC. My dad was the one who introduced me into the hobby as we attempted to build a couple of RC trainers in the past before we eventually got the kit which I currently have. My current model suffered a devastating crash after I flew it into a tree in windy weather conditions. And then in COVID, at the same time as my battery charger being fried, I eventually lost my interest in the hobby because I didn't feel like I could get an airliner immediately. I wasn't patient at the time and just wanted an RC airliner to appear right in front of me without having to do the work. But this year, my interest was sparked again as I watched a lot of aviation videos and decided I wanted to make a replica model of my country's flag carrier, wide-body airliner, the Boeing 767-200, one of the oldest in currently in operation, while they're both parked currently. As I realized I can't fly a real plane now, why can't I build one? Own and operate it as well. There are 4 main challenges that I'm going to have to face when building this aircraft. The first being my lack of experience designing such an aircraft, yet alone one project of this scale, with a length of roughly about 2 meters. It's already been a design challenge, and deciding on the design of the skeleton frame has been a learning process for me. The second challenge is securing funding, as I don't have a lot of cash on hand, especially after seeing the price of ESCs, transmitters, and EDFs. But I believe that I'll be able to acquire the parts when I need them. The next challenge will be certifying and licensing, as regulations by CAS, the Central Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, mandates that all unmanned aerial vehicles with a weight of over 2 kgs have to be certified and registered with them. The next challenge, though not exactly, will be piloting the aircraft, as I'm an inexperienced RC pilot. I've only piloted RC trainers, and as well as new regulations that require a license for flying RC aircraft as well, which I'm hoping of getting next year. The goal of my project is to build a remote-controlled Boeing 767-200 with 2 ducted fan electric motors, working elevators, ailerons, rudders, as well as working flaps, spoilers, landing gears, and reverse thrusters, as well as exterior lights, at as low of a cost as possible with the least amount of resources. The goal is to build, I want to build 2 of them. One with a retro Air Zimbabwe livery and the other one with a custom livery. Then I will place them I also want to place the one with the retro Air Zimbabwe livery right next to a real Air Zimbabwe Boeing 767-200. So my current plan is to create the aircraft, a 3D model of the aircraft in Blender 3D. Once I complete specific portions of the aircraft, I'll print those portions with 3D printer using PLA filament and then glue them together using super glue. After gluing them together, I'll install the electronics and before covering the skeleton with cardboard to use as the skin. Once I am done the whole frame, I'll cover it with a wrap which will have the livery printed on it. The aircraft will utilize a 10 or 12 channel receiver, depending which one I'll be able to get, and I am hoping to use an 18 channel FlySky transmitter. Its engines have a diameter of, well, the EDFs more specifically, have a diameter of 120 millimeters or 12 centimeters, but the exact specifications and other details will be decided or revealed later, as changes are prone during the design process. So what is after this? After this project, I want to release the project files out for the public. Whether it'll be free or not will be decided later. But the project, I want to build, after this project, I want to build an RC submarine. And I want to try two things with the RC submarine. Trying to make a very low frequency radio transmitter to try and control the submarine wirelessly, as well as trying to make an acoustic transmitter to try and use sound to control the submarine. The gist of the project is to build an RC767-200ER, get it certified and fly it, and place it next to a real Boeing 767-200ER, hopefully an Air Zimbabwe one, which, as of creating this video, both 767s are currently parked at Harare International Airport. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe. If you would find this video helpful to you or someone else, please do share it, and see you in my next video.